The land of the rising sun, kitties roam. 1,000 lords fight for one throne. From feuding clans with claws unsheathed, each warrior born to rule or seethe. Paws we steal in shadow and flame. In every village they whisper a name of tiger striped shoguns and tabby daimyo. Katanas gleam as the fur flies low. Claws of the Sengoku sharp as the blade. 9 lives in battle, none left unscathed. Honor and fury in whiskers they bear. In lands torn by war, only cats dare. From Iga hills to Edo's walls, ninja kitties slink through midnight calls. Stealthy strides in the misted night, eyes that glimmer with samurai might. The calico lords rise for the throne. Their armies of paws claim castles as home, feasting on mice as the fires burn. Warriors of whiskers who never turn. Claws of the Sengoku sharp as the blade. 9 lives in battle, none left unscathed. Honor and fury in whiskers they bear. In lands torn by war, only cats dare. From Iga hills to Edo's walls, ninja kitties slink through midnight calls. Ninja kitties slink through midnight calls. Stealthy strides in the misters they bear. In light might. Sakura's fleeting blue, a lull in the fight, a sense of doom. Silent warriors arrest, claws to chest, until the next dawn brings another test. When the smoke clears, one shall rise, in paw steps marked by samurai cries, crowned with courage by battle's fate. A kitty warlord to unite the state. Claws of the Sengoku sharp as the blade. 9 lives in battle, none left unscathed. Honor and fury in whiskers they bear. In lands torn by war, only cats dare. Now legends tell of their mighty reign, a dynasty of kitties no war could restrain. In fields of ice and shadows throw, the claws of the Sengoku stand tall.